Your spine is not supposed to feel like a rusty door hinge. If sitting all day makes you stiff, achy, and about 30 years older than you really are, I've got the fix. It's called cat-cow. 2 moves, 0 equipment, instant relief. Think of it as the espresso shot for your back. It's the cheapest chiropractic session you'll ever get, and you don't even need an appointment. It's safe for beginners, athletes, and yes, even your grandma can do it. The best part? It takes less than a minute to feel the difference. No excuses. Today, we're unlocking your back with one of the simplest, but most effective, stretches you can do anywhere. My goal is to give you tools that actually work, without fancy equipment or hours in the gym. If you spend most of your day sitting, this move is basically non-negotiable. And don't worry, you won't break a sweat, unless getting on all fours is already a workout. Stick around till the end, because I'll give you a tip to double the benefits. So let's dive in before your back files another complaint. Think about it. Hours at your desk, shoulders rolled forward, neck bent down, back screaming. Your spine basically forgets how to move, and then punishes you for it. The cat-cow brings that mobility back, and honestly, it feels amazing. This stiffness is like leaving your phone on airplane mode all day. Nothing gets through. Your muscles tighten, your joints lock up, and even simple movements feel like hard labor. That's why so many people deal with headaches, backaches, and that constant, "I need a massage" feeling. But you don't always need a massage. Sometimes you just need to move. Cat-cow is the reset button that tells your spine, "Hey buddy, remember how to bend and stretch?" Here's how to do it. Drop to all fours with your hands under your shoulders and your knees under your hips. Step 1. Inhale, arch your back, push your chest forward and lift your head up. That's the cow. Step 2. Exhale, round your spine, tuck your chin and squeeze your core. That's the cat. Move slow, follow your breath and don't overthink it. You're stretching, not auditioning for Cirque du Soleil. Keep it smooth, like you're flowing through the positions instead of jerking into them. Let your breath guide the pace. Inhale into cow, exhale into cat. The slower you go, the more control and awareness you'll build. Don't worry if it feels awkward at first. Your body will loosen up with each rep. This simple flow takes the stiffness out of your spine, opens your chest, loosens your neck, and even wakes up your core. Do a few rounds and suddenly you feel taller, lighter, and way less like a frozen office worker. Cat-cow stretches both the front and back of your body, making it a full spine mobility drill. It also improves circulation in the spinal discs, which are like little shock absorbers for your back. And by syncing it with your breathing, you're actually reducing stress while moving your body. It's a double win. Healthier spine, calmer mind. You'll finish feeling like you just gave your body an oil change. Want more out of it? Hold each end for 2 to 3 seconds. That pause tells your muscles to actually relax instead of clinging on for dear life. You can also exaggerate the motion slightly to increase the stretch in your spine. Focus on squeezing your shoulder blades together in cow and pulling your belly button in during cat. If your wrists get sore, just drop down to your forearms. Same effect, less pressure. And remember, consistency beats intensity. Do it daily, even for a minute, and you'll notice the change. Your spine is literally begging for this. Ignore it, and you're basically fast-tracking yourself to stiffness, pain, and a future where tying your shoes feels like a CrossFit event. But just 60 seconds of cat-cow a day, that's your reset button. When your back feels like it's one sneeze away from snapping, this move is your survival kit. You just need it, and if you think about it, you brush your teeth daily to avoid cavities. Why wouldn't you give your spine the same respect? Let's be real. A healthy spine isn't optional. It's your ticket to a body that looks strong and moves without limits. And if you want to build even stronger body at home, without lifting a single dumbbell, you might as well watch the video on the screen. I'll catch you there.